Hi, this is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC, and based on everything I recorded and posted on YouTube, I see more and more people asking for help with their Klaviyo platform. So me and my team decided we will start recording daily videos and posting. It will be short videos about how to use Klaviyo, about their new features, and we are committed to do it for 1 year. We'll see how it works after 1 year, but 1 year it's our commitment, and you will receive daily videos. So I highly recommend to subscribe to our channel and comment, ask anything you want. We have a content for about for the next 30 days, but if you have more questions, please ask in any video, or go to emailmarketingnyc.com/ask, and you can submit your question as well. We will be glad to answer any of your questions and any of your doubts. Also, we have a course on Udemy. Just type in Klaviyo. We have only one course, and right now, if you first time Udemy user, it costs $10 or even less. So if you are curious, you can get that course and go through the whole education process, how to set up your Klaviyo account. So please feel free to ask us anything you want, and we'll be glad to help you with your store or your agency if you're helping other stores to increase their revenue. Klaviyo is very powerful platform. We believe in this software. We love it, and we have a lot of success for where we increase revenue for other businesses. This was Andrew from Email Marketing NYC. Thank you.